In front of me is Motorola Moto S50, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Privacy and click on Permission Manager. Now you can select one of your device's features to manage and tap on one of your apps, or select any feature to find an app that you wish to manage instead. Either way, after selecting it, you can either tap on one of those options or select See All Permissions and manage all of those from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!